A fresh take on a classic quinoa tabbouleh. This vibrant dish is a modern twist on the traditional tabbouleh, bringing a new level of nutrition and flavor to your table. Tabbouleh is a Middle Eastern salad. It is known for its fresh ingredients and zesty flavors, making it a favorite in many households. It is usually made with bulgur wheat, but we will use quinoa instead. Quinoa is a fantastic substitute that not only adds a unique texture, but also boosts the nutritional value of the dish. Quinoa is a healthy grain. It is packed with protein, fiber, and essential amino acids, making it a superfood that is perfect for a balanced diet. It is light and fluffy. When cooked properly, quinoa has a delicate texture that pairs wonderfully with the crisp vegetables in this salad. This recipe is easy to follow. With simple steps and readily available ingredients, you can whip up this delicious dish in no time. You will have a delicious and healthy meal. Quinoa tabbouleh is refreshing. It bursts with flavor. The combination of fresh vegetables, herbs, and quinoa creates a symphony of tastes and textures. Imagine biting into juicy tomatoes. Each bite is a burst of freshness that complements the other ingredients perfectly. Taste the fresh parsley and mint. These herbs add a fragrant aroma and a refreshing taste that elevates the dish. The lemon dressing adds a bright taste. It ties all the flavors together with its tangy and zesty notes. This salad is perfect for a light lunch or dinner. It's not only nutritious but also incredibly satisfying, making it an ideal choice for any meal. Let's gather our ingredients. Today, we are going to create a vibrant and healthy dish that will brighten up your kitchen and your taste buds. We will use bright, fresh ingredients. 1 cup quinoa, rinsed, 2 cups water. Quinoa is a fantastic base, full of protein and fiber. 1 cup chopped fresh parsley. Parsley adds a fresh, slightly peppery flavor and a beautiful green color. Half a cup chopped fresh mint. 1 cup chopped tomatoes. Mint brings a refreshing taste, while tomatoes add a juicy, sweet tart flavor. Half a cup chopped cucumber. Cucumber adds a crisp texture and a cool, mild flavor. 1/4 cup chopped red onion. 1/4 cup lemon juice. 1/4 cup olive oil. Red onion gives a sharp bite, lemon juice adds tanginess, and olive oil brings it all together with a smooth finish. Salt and pepper to taste. These simple seasonings enhance all the flavors. These ingredients are easy to find. You can get them at any local grocery store or farmer's market. Look for them at your grocery store. Fresh produce is key to making this dish vibrant and delicious. You can use different colored tomatoes. They not only add visual appeal, but also a variety of flavors. Try yellow or orange tomatoes. These varieties are often sweeter and can add a unique twist to your dish. Now let's make the quinoa tabbouleh a refreshing and healthy dish that's perfect for any occasion. It is easy to make and packed with nutrients. First, cook the quinoa, which will serve as the base of our salad. Add 1 cup of quinoa and 2 cups of water to a pot. This ratio ensures the quinoa cooks perfectly. Bring it to a boil over medium-high heat. Once it starts boiling, reduce the heat to low. Then let it simmer for 15 minutes with the lid on. This allows the quinoa to absorb all the water and become fluffy. Once cooked, fluff it with a fork to separate the grains. Next, we move on to preparing the vegetables. Chop the parsley, mint, tomatoes, cucumber, and red onion into small, bite-sized pieces. The smaller, the better for a well-mixed salad. Now let's make the dressing. Mix fresh lemon juice and high-quality olive oil in a bowl. Add a pinch of salt and a dash of pepper to taste. Finally, combine the cooked quinoa and chopped vegetables in a large mixing bowl. Stir them together gently. Put the cooked quinoa in a bowl first, then add the chopped vegetables on top. This layering helps in mixing. Pour the dressing over the mixture. Make sure to mix it well so that every bite is flavorful. Let the salad chill in the refrigerator for at least an hour. This helps the flavors meld together beautifully. After chilling, your quinoa tabbouleh is ready to serve. Enjoy this delicious and nutritious dish. You can change this recipe, add different vegetables, try bell peppers or zucchini. You can also add feta cheese. Quinoa tabbouleh is a great side dish. It goes well with grilled chicken or fish. You can also eat it with pita bread. Quinoa is full of protein. It has no gluten. Parsley and mint are full of vitamins. Tomatoes have vitamin C. This salad is good for you.